Data tables are used to create interactive list reports with expandable rows and drop-down filters without needing to use custom JavaScript. Query results are stored in the browser, enabling fast reports. In this video, you will learn how to add a data table to a report, create groupings and summaries, make rows expandable, filter data interactively, add custom indicators, and validate, run, and save a report. This report will be created in the video. To create the report, start by clicking Present Data and Report. The blank template will be used, and the Great Outdoors data module will be used as the data source. To add the data table, click the toolbox, Data Container, and double-click Data Table. A dialog box will open where you can give a object and query name, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to use the values supplied. An empty data table is in the middle pane. The first thing I want to do is make the data table bigger to make it easier to see the data. Making sure the data table is selected. Over in the properties, I want to change the scrollable area height from 300 pixels to 800 pixels. Clicking sources, focus returns back to the data. I can either drag and drop data onto the report, or I can double-click data to add it. Year, retailer, country, and revenue will get added to the report. Changing from page design to preview, the report will now appear with data. A scrollable bar appears over on the right-hand side. To set up expanding rows and collapsing columns, the data table must be selected and the properties pane on the right must be open. To create year total headers, select Group and Summary, and select Total as the aggregation method. To enable row expand and collapse, toggle Enable Expand and Collapse. Year totals now appear. Clicking on the summary closes a total, and clicking on the plus sign opens the total. If the initial view should just be summary rows, toggle Initially Collapsed on. Interactive filters can be turned on by toggling Show Column Filters. Columns that now have filters appear as drop-down lists. Initially, all countries are selected. If I wanted to show just Brazil and Canada, I could deselect all and then select Brazil and Canada. Remove filter removes all my selections. Additional filter options can be seen by clicking the gear. Visual indicators can be added to a table to highlight data points. Indicators can be colors, icons, shapes, or custom images, and represent positive, negative, or zero values. To replace revenue with an indicator, select revenue. It cannot be a summary value that you select. In General Properties, select Custom Indicators. Indicators can be colored, sized, or HTML. I'm going to create an indicator of a green traffic light for positive values. When I click OK, the indicator will replace the revenue value in the table. A report can be checked for errors by validating it. Click More, Validate Report. A message will appear showing the validation results. To save a report, click Save. A Save As window opens. Type the name of the report. And pick the location of where the report should be saved. To run the report, click the Run icon in the interactive menu. Other options are available by clicking the pull-down. Run HTML is going to be used. A window opens and the report is displayed. This completes the video demonstration of how to build a report with a data table, collapsible rows, summaries, filters, and custom indicators. Documentation for IBM Cognos Analytics with Watson is available online. The video description below contains links for topics covered in this video. If you would like to try what was demonstrated in this video, you will find the data in the Samples folder in Team Content.